Tell me something, baby, about the kitchen right now.
Well, this is the starting, the opening of my cooking show. Hi everybody over there. You know, I started making my kitchen for the cooking show and then the structure fell apart. So
Everything fell down. Your
everything
kitchen
fell down. So the builder had to make everything from the beginning. This is where we are right now.
Tell me something about the cement.
I was contacted my carriage guy and he said, oh yes, we have the cement, we can move forward. So the builder came and started, you know, trying to make the structure, and then the next morning when I asked the carriage guy, where is the cement? And he said, oh sorry, we don't have cement in town. No cement.
No cement in Trinidad.
No, my husband was completely crazy in Canada, figuring out, oh my God, what we are going to make, what we are going to do with my stuff. I didn't have any place to put my things, and my daughter was crazy too. But I was in calm, and I didn't stop to move my feet. So Regla's friend, my daughter's friend, found one bag of cement for me, and I was asking to strangers in the street, and one woman told me, oh, I know where you can find one bag. So I came there and I found that bag.
So you got some cement.
Some cement. This is me, you know, I am a factor.
So what do we have to do here? What's the situation with this kitchen?
The next step is to make this floor, okay.
And you had that before. You had a counter there, but
I had my counter there, but it was so old that when we tried to put the sink, the structure fell down.
the whole thing fell apart.
See. So now we are doing everything from the beginning. I am very happy with this. You know,
And
I
baby.
am good managing construction things, buildings and stuff, you know.
Well,
So this
sure.
is me enjoying what I am doing. So this is the beginning of my cooking show. Okay.
Yeah. One first part is getting a kitchen.
The first time, the first chapter, you know, nobody has seen this before. You know, the first chapter is, look, I wanted to produce a cooking show,
In a Cuban kitchen,
but I
with
don't
Cuban
have-
cement,
but
with
I
Cuban
don't
construction,
no, but I
with
don't
Cuban
have a
life.
kitchen. See,
This is the way it goes.
see. But then my daughter said, oh, I feel so shame. We are living like beggars.
Well, you're living in Cuba.
See, and I move everything for the living room, and over there I have my Chinese stove, my electric pot, the marvelous electric pot that my husband bought for me, and everything.
So let's see the temporary situation.
See, right now I am frying some cheese croquettes. You know,
Let's have a look. In the living room.
the croquettes are almost ready. You know, this is the living room. Look at my stuff. You know, I feel very proud. You know.
All right. It's a living room kitchen.
And the croquettes are almost ready. We recently arrived from Santa Clara Airport. So I'm preparing something for my baby. The cheese croquettes are almost ready, and we have avocado and some ripe bananas, and potato puree with some butter, and crackers. After that, some pear juice, and I think the product is going to be complete.
This
Pay
sounds good.
attention to me, because very soon I am going to be your chef, guys, working for you. Love you guys. Send you a kiss.
Okay, baby. Thank you. Good night.